Chicken mandi biryani kind of preparation, very tasty. Basically it looks like really a festival of celebration on a plate. Oh my god, from the back of the chicken some eggs also have come out. Hyderabadi style mandi. Wow. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at vareva.com, and today we're going to make chicken mandi. And chicken mandi biryani kind of preparation. This is very tasty. It has got a flavor of its own and people just love it in Hyderabad. Basically it looks like really a festival of celebration on a plate. For making a good mandi you need chicken stock. Chicken stock easy, whatever leftover vegetables, some peppercorn, bay leaf and chicken bones, bring it to a nice boil. Let's look at the masalas that I am going to grind. You don't need to roast any of the masalas because these masalas will be double cooked. Here having coriander seeds, some peppercorns and cloves, black cardamom, the green cardamom, the jeera and also a piece of nutmeg. Nutmeg is very good for all the meat preparations, some mace and the biryani leaf, even that I am going to crush it. But the real flavoring in this is lemon. They have a separate special lemon that are brined, that are dried as if they become black. The leftover lemon skins, you can dry them and just put, I'm going to put a little extra flavor of lemon. And this is the masala what we are going to use to marinate the chicken as well as our rice. So make a fine powder of this and then I'm going to show you how to marinate the chicken. I've got the full chicken. This is nice for tandoori chicken also. Having chicken like this which weighs after cleaning 1 kg, 1.2 is very good. Just like tandoori chicken, I made some gashes so that it is nice and flavorful. Here I made a cut and opened up this chicken. In this we are going to apply all the masalas. This has got a little bit of that lemon tingy kind of flavor in this masala. Along with this, add some salt and some ginger garlic paste. Marinate the chicken very good with the masala. This is going to be super good, and in fact you can see my charga chicken where I steamed the chicken and fried. Even that kind of method you can use. A little bit of salt and the ginger garlic paste. Make sure that the salt and the masala goes inside and it will be nice and tasty. The masala powder, whatever we did, sprinkle. The chicken, you kind of dry it off so that there is not much moisture on this. Also, we can squeeze in some lemon juice. This chicken is nicely marinated. I'm going to let it rest for some time. In the mandi, we're going to, at the end, we're going to add some badam, kaju, kishmish. A lot of time people add kishmish directly into the rice. It's up to you. Here, I've got the badam. Soak the badam, remove the seeds. I'm just going to fry them till they're slightly colored. When you see the little bit of coloring in this, add cashew nut. Switch off the flame because oil, the heat, that is good enough to even give coloring for the cashew nut. And in this, we're going to add the raisins. So raisins need not be fried. They just need to be whatever little bit heat is there in that is good enough. Look at them. They are perfect to go on my chicken mandi. To make this chicken mandi, I'm going to simplify it. First, we're going to add some oil in a pan. We are going to make a nice gravy. In Hyderabad, when you go and order chicken mandi, you get a kind of red tomato based curry. So I'm going to show you. We're going to make that curry, and after that the same thing we're going to use to make this mandi. When the oil is hot, we're going to add onion. So add some salt and let this onion slightly color. In this you can add some chopped garlic or ginger garlic paste also, whatever. Add little bit of turmeric and green chilli. Let this cook for like 4-5 minutes till this onion is slightly colored. This is quite a heavy bottomed pan. Anything you cook in this will come out extremely good, especially the biryanis and all that. We're going to add the tomato puree. This tomato is what will make into nice khatta gravy. The masala, whatever was left over, in this we're going to add. In this I'm going to add some of the chicken stock. This is ready. From this I'm going to pick up my gravy. So the gravy what I'm going to serve with the mandi, and check the taste. You want to add some salt. I think this sauce is good to be given with mandi. This gravy, look at this. This is nice and perfect. This shorva is all ready. This is what I'm going to serve with the mandi. The time to pour the entire stock in this, so that this chicken, rice, everything will get cooked in this mandi. Look at this, the leftover vegetables and the bones from the stock. In this, I'm going to add chili powder, and this is optional. If you want to add it, add it. Here, I've got a small glass bowl. I'm going to put in the center here, and on top of this glass bowl, I have another kind of a mesh. On this, I'm going to put the chicken and cook. If you want, you can add some more water because a lot of this moisture will start escaping. Nicely marinated chicken. Now, we're going to steam it. On top of this, just put the lid on. Like this, we're going to cook it for like 15 minutes. I know many of you must be thinking, what is happening here? Look at this, the chicken is getting nicely steamed with the chicken stock. Because of the chicken stock, the chicken will also get flavor, and some of the fat or some of the juices may fall inside there, and it is all going to be super tasty. This is all ready. I'm just going to reduce the flame in sense. Look at this chicken. Whatever the steam is happening, all the juices are falling in here. So I'm just going to move this on the side. Some of the juices fell inside here. Remove the juices here. In this, I'm going to add the rice. But before you add rice, you have to check the seasoning and the amount of water. Definitely, I need some salt. I'm going to add saffron. The dry fruits, we're going to put it on top, but some of the dry fruits we're going to add in this. This much is good enough for the top. The flavor is very, very important. I've got 4 cups of rice, so this water has to be 8 cups. 7 cups should be good when you're having 4 cups. So soak the basmati rice for at least half an hour and then slowly drop this rice in this. After soaking the rice, don't try to mix them, the rice will break. Mix all of this in this. The ball comes to the center. We're going to cook this slow flame and bring back the hot chicken. See, this is still hot. Put it back here, put the lid on. So the rice will is getting cooked and the chicken also will be cooked. After 5 minutes, we're going to remove the chicken out and we're going to check the water. If there is anything discrepancy, we will adjust. And we're going to put the rice and then we're going to fry the chicken in ghee or butter, whatever you want. This is the time that I need to remove the chicken out. Look at this. It is nice steaming, and also we have this ball here. Just to put this, I'm going to remove it off. When the rice is nicely cooked like this, then only you will have the flavor. In this, I'm going to add some more saffron. If you want, put this lid on, and on slow flame, the rice will be ready in another 5 minutes. The rice is almost ready. I'm going to put it on a smaller flame and I'm going to fry the chicken here. Whenever I eat the chicken, I find it a little bit bland, because of the steaming and all that, but still, if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt on the oil. Here, the chicken, very carefully, we're going to turn it to the other side and let it cook. Whatever the hot oil is there, just pour it on top. And you want this chicken to get slight golden color on both sides, and then this will be ready to be served. This is all nicely cooked. Now, we're going to turn it to the other side. So, the chicken has to be sizzling and beautiful. And on this, the saffron color water, let the chicken pieces fry. The rice is almost ready and this chicken is going to go on top of it. You can put the leftover masala on top of this also, but this is pretty good. The chicken, oh my God, from the back of the chicken, some eggs also have come out. This chicken is nicely fried and perfect. The rice will have the full flavor only when you cook everything together. Look at this, the mandi rice is perfectly done. If you want to see the quality of the rice, this is very, very hot, and the moment you put here, all the rice will be, fluffy and nice. Vahchef is super excited to enjoy this awesome mandi rice. And here, the sauces. Look at the tomato puree sauce. In this, we're going to put the mint sauce. Here, I've got the raita. In Hyderabad, we go a little bit crazy. Somebody has tried somewhere and some people liked. We put some mayonnaise also. They put some French fries also. If you want, you can try this one. Here are the brown onions. On this, the badam, the kishmish and the kaju. This is what will make it nice and rich. Here comes the eggs. First, let the babies come. 1 egg, 2 egg. Now, the chicken. Very carefully, get the chicken out, serve. Look at this. This is what is our Hyderabadi style mandi. You want some more brown onions? That is good. This is all set up like this. What are we supposed to do? I don't know, man. I got to sit down and enjoy this awesomeness. Look at this chicken. So what do we start with? The egg, the french fries, the sauce, the everything. First, let's taste the rice. Absolutely fantastic. The rice has got such an awesome flavor. The chicken, wow. Look at this. Let's go to these fries. I think only in Hyderabad they serve like this. The eggs, and even after boiling like this, look at the egg yolk, perfectly done. When the chicken is finished, because in few minutes this will be finished, the egg will come to rescue. I don't like this katta mita gravy when they serve it in the restaurant, but I made it, too good. This is also has chicken stock. So in between, you want that extra punch of flavor. We're going to take some of this gravy. Wow. One of our friend on YouTube is after me. Chicken mandi, here goes chicken mandi. You can make amazing food at home and enjoy it. Serve it on a big plate when all of you are sitting and eat from one plate. Keep cooking and share this video. If you don't share this video, I'll be upset because I'm making all these videos. All I'm asking is share it with your family, with your friends. And on that channel, only I read all the comments. I listen to your comments. That is the reason why I'm more excited to do all these recipes. Even if I don't reply, I usually click the like button and do. So dear friends, make great food, eat every day fantastic food, keep saying Vareva, and absolutely